Yan, so let's go ahead and open. Alright, since we're trying to lose weight, yes, seryoso. Seryoso naman. Yeah, since we're trying to lose weight, very important kasi sa pag-lose ng weight, and if you're also aiming to gain muscles, so kailangan na mo-monitor mo yung protein intake mo on a daily basis. So that's the reason why I have this. So kabibili ko lang ito guys para every time nakakain tayo ng chicken breast or any food intake, we-weigh na natin. Ayan, so yan na siya guys, right? As you can see, kitchen scale. Madedetermine na natin kung ilan yung protein content, kung ilan yung calorie content ng pagkain na kakainin natin. Kitchen scale. So this is how it looks like. Ayan. O, diba? O, tapos for example, meron kang plato. O, you put your, for example, you put your food here. You put your food here. O, ayan o. Pero since lagay muna natin yung battery. Wait. I think nalagay na kanina nung ano sa cashier. So we just have to turn it on. Ayun no. Look at that. Oh, di ba? Oh, 0 pag nilagay natin to. Oh, 228 grams to. So I'm so happy to have this. Okay, so meron tayong pina-fry na chicken fillet. So paluto na siya guys, so try natin or timbangin natin yung kakainin natin using this. Again, that's 0. Pag pinatong natin to, that will become 229. Paluto na to eh. Yan, so let's go ahead and open. Oh, look at that. Ay, usok-usok pa. So 229. Let's say 400 grams or 200 grams muna. So, dapat 429 yan. So, 429 dapat. So, let's transfer. Okay. 247. 292. 305. So, dapat 429 para sa para 200 grams. 429. Oh, parang kulang pata yung na-fry ko. There. 408. Feeling ko kasha. 420. Nako, feeling ko eksakto yun na fry natin. Yan, okay na yan. 206 grams. So that's how convenient it is. Okay, so now let's go ahead and try to eat. Let's go ahead. Sarap. O diba, hindi pa tayo nagluto sa mantika. This is healthy kasi naluto siya sa own oil niya. So very important, this one. Medyo matagal ko nang gustong bumili nito. Ngayon lang nagkaroon ng time na i-pursue yung pagbibili. I bought this for 945 pesos. I think okay na rin, right? So battery operated.